Okay, so if you're a gamer, you know the feeling. It's time for a hardware upgrade, and you're staring at this massive decision. Do you go for the incredible flexibility of a gaming laptop or the pure, dedicated console experience of something like a PlayStation 5? It's a huge choice, so yeah, let's get into it. This is the ultimate showdown. But what if I told you that the source material for this whole thing kicks off with a super bold statement? It just says, "This is not even fair." That kind of suggests one of these has such a huge advantage that it's not even a real competition. So, who's this fight so unfair for? Let's find out. And here they are, our two contenders. In one corner, you've got the machine that does it all, the one you can take anywhere, the gaming laptop. And in the other corner, we have the purpose-built gaming beast, the PlayStation 5. These are two totally different approaches to gaming, and they're both fighting for your attention. So, first up, let's break down the challenger in this fight. What exactly is the laptop's edge? What's its secret weapon against a machine that was built only for gaming? It really just boils down to one powerful word: versatility. I mean, this is the absolute core of what a gaming laptop is. It's not just for gaming, right? It's your school computer, it's your work machine, it's where you watch movies, it's literally everything you need all in one package you can carry around. And that versatility really shows up in two major ways. First, obviously, it's portable. You can pack up your entire gaming library and take it to a friend's house, on vacation, wherever. And second, it's upgradable. Down the road, you can often pop in more RAM or a bigger hard drive. It's a machine that can actually grow with you. Okay, but that's only one side of the story. Now we gotta flip the coin and look at the reigning champion in the living room. Let's talk about the PS5's power. What makes this console such a juggernaut in the gaming world? So if the laptop's big word is versatility, the PS5's is the complete opposite. It's focus. This machine was designed from day one to do one thing and one thing only, and that is to play video games. No spreadsheets, no homework, no compromises, just pure, raw gaming power. And that intense focus, it gives the PS5 two killer advantages. First is optimization. See, since every single PS5 has the exact same parts inside, game developers can tweak their games to run perfectly on it. They can squeeze every last drop of performance out of the hardware. And the second advantage? It is cheap. I mean, for the level of performance you're getting, the price is just unbeatable. A laptop that could match it graphically would cost you way, way more. So there we have it. The versatile, upgradable laptop versus the focused, optimized console. We've laid out the arguments for both sides, so who actually wins? Who takes the crown in this showdown? All right, the time has come. We're at the final verdict. According to our source material, this debate is pretty much over, and there is a clear winner. So, let's see who it is. And there you have it. The final word is PS5 wins for gamers. Simple, direct, no messing around. The crown goes to the PlayStation 5. The argument is that if your number one absolute main reason for buying a machine is for gaming and getting the most bang for your buck, then the PS5's incredible optimization and price just can't be beat. It kind of brings us back to that very first slide, right? For a pure gamer, maybe the fight really is not even fair. But wait, let's end on this one final thought. The source gives the win to the PS5 for pure gaming value, no question. But that leaves us with the most important question of all, the one you have to answer for yourself. Is the most focused, cheapest option really the best choice for your life? If you also need something for school, or for work, or for travel, well, that's where things get a little more complicated. And that choice, in the end, is all yours.